Hello everyone, welcome to the network theory lecture series. Till the last lecture we have studied about the different matrix like incident matrix and tie-set matrix. Now we are moving to the last matrix, that is the cut-set matrix. So in a cut-set matrix we have to find out some nodes which are nodes which if you uh, disclose or you are separate out these nodes, this remaining structure will be not vanish but it will create another structure. Okay, so that we will study about the how it can be formed, that cut set matrix, and how the cut sets are formed inside the circuit, that we will see. So we'll take one example. In that example I will draw like this. I'm taking these examples from the Ravi Singh book. You can refer that book. So this is the branches. You have to give the names 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5th. You have to give the names to the nodes 1, 2, 3, 4. And suppose I will remove this third node. If I will remove this third node, what will happen? Remaining structure will remain like that. So this structure will like that. So this is the node number 1, 2 and 4. There is a remaining branches. How many branches will remain? Only 2 branches will remain. Other branches will be vanished because it is cutting. We are cutting that branches. So that is 5th branch. So what is the cut set? Cut set name will be given by this name or number of branches. So what is the cut set? Cut set you can give the name of 1, 3 and 4. Because we are cutting these 3 branches and we are separating this node from the remaining nodes, that's why we have to give the name for the cut set, that is 1, 3 and 4. Because of these 3 branches we are cutting that node from the other branches. So we have to give this name cut set 1, 3, 4. And if you want to give the name for the cut set 1, so this, if you are giving cut set 1, you are referring to this point. Suppose I will give the name, next is next cut set we will find out. In this cut set I will remove the second node. If I will remove, what will happen? So what will be the branches will remain inside the diagram. So these are the branches will remain inside the diagram. One, 3, okay, only 1 and 3, and this will be 4. We are cutting this, so these branches are no meaning. Only branches will remain, that is 1 and 4. But if we have to give the name by this cut down branches 2, 3 and 5. I have to give the name of the cut set by, if you are taking the third branch first, then you have to give it number the cut set number 3, and you have to write 3, 2, 5. You can give the sequence for 2 and 5 anyway, or you can give the name 3, 5, 2, but you have to give the 3 first because you have the given name as a cut set 3. Okay, now what one more cut set we can form. Here is the 4th cut set we can form. Also we can form this cut set also. So by that way you can find out, cutting different nodes we can find out the cut sets. Again you can take 2 nodes inside the circuit. Suppose in this figure I will draw it again. If I want to take 2 nodes, how many cut sets we have found right now by separating one node at a time? That is 4 cut sets we have found. 1, 3, I will give this name as a 1. For if I am separating this cut set, I will give this name cut set 2. If you are separating this cut set node 4, then I will give this name number for the cut set 4 due to this branch 4. Okay, and one more cut sets we will find out by separating 2 nodes. Means here is the 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Suppose I am separating these 2 nodes. Okay, separating these 2 nodes, this node and this node, and I will use these 2 branches. If these branches, then I have to use this cut set. There is a middle branch. So 2, 3 and 4. You can give the cut set number different. Cut set, again I will give this 2 for this structure, okay. So by that way you have to give the nomenclature 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4 branches we are cutting. Okay. So like that you have to simplify this. So we will take one problem and we will find out the cut set matrix for that problem. So here is the problem we are taking. So in this diagram we have to find out one tree. So how to find out one tree? I will use this tree. So nodes will be remain as it is. You have to separate only branches you have to cut, remove. That is 1, 2 and 3 and this 4. This tree we have formed. In that tree, these are the twigs. Those are permanent. These are the twigs. So this is the second branch and this is the fourth branch. So these are the permanents, that is second and fourth and third. These are the twigs. Other are the links. So which are connected like this. These are the links. These are the links. These are the links. So how many cut sets we can form? The number of twigs R is equal to number of cut sets we can form. So number of cut sets, how many cut sets we can form? So twigs, how many twigs are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 twigs are there, so we can form the 3 cut sets. So cut set name given by the name of the twig. So cut set 2. So I will for forming the cut set 2, I will form this. I will separate this node. I will separate this first node. Suppose I am separating the first node, and this is the 6th branch, and this is the first branch, and this is the second branch. So cut set 2, if I am using the cut set 2, I am using the cut set number 2 because there is a 2 this twig number is 2. That's why cut set 2 having the branches. If you are cutting this cut set, for this cut set, which are the branches we are cutting? First, second and 6. And I will use the 2 first because cut set name is 2. So 2, 1 and 6. 2, 1 and 6. Now next cut set we have to find. So how to find out the next cut sets? So cut set number here I can form by using separating this node number 3, and we can form the cut set number 4 because this is a twig. So cut set 4, and I will use this 4 first, then 6, then this branch number is 5th. 4, 6 and 5. 4, 6 and 5. So that is cut set number 4. Next cut set number is 3 because only third twig is remain. So I will cut this node. And I will write here 3 first. Then which are the branches are cutting this cut set? 3, 1 and 5. 3, 1 and 5. Now we have to find out we have to form the matrix. So how to find the matrix? Again, you know that branches are on the rows. That is how many branches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many cut sets are there? So cut sets we have to form. Cut sets are second, fourth and third. Now second cut set, see the second cut set having the branches 2 and 6, 2, 1 and 6. Now see the cut set 2, that 2 branch is there, that is direction of the second branch is outside. So cut set direction is outside. See the cut set direction will be defined by the cut set branch. So that twig branch. So twig branch is 2, and suppose twig branch is having the outside direction, then cut set direction is also outside direction. Now to say that direction of 2 and cut set direction is 2, so similar, that's why it would be 1. What about the first branch? First branch, direction of the first branch and the cut set direction is similar, that's why it should be 1. Next is third branch. So third branch and cut set 2 is don't have any that third branch, so that's why 0. Then fourth branch is also 0. What about the fifth branch? Fifth branch is also 0. What about the sixth? Yes, 6 is available. That cut set 2, that is the direction of the cut set and direction of 6 is similar, that's why it is 1. Okay, next is cut set number 4, that is 4, then 6 and 5. So what is number? If you are giving 4, 6, 5, so 4, direction of 4 is what? So direction of 4 is outside. Okay, so direction of the 4 is outside, that's why cut set direction should be outside. Okay, depend upon that twig direction, your direction of this will be outside. So now directly you can write this 4 is a 1 because 4 direction and the cut set direction is similar. Next is 4, 6, 5, 6 direction. 6 direction is incoming and a cut set direction is outgoing, that's why it should be minus. What about next is fifth? So fifth direction is also similar to that cut set, that is plus 1. Others are 0. What is next? That is fifth. So third. So in the third direction, third cut set. So see that take this third cut set. In the third cut set, what you have to do? Third cut set, you have to, how many branches are there? 1, 3 and 5. What is the direction of 3? 3 direction is towards that cut set. That's why direction of cut set is inside the cut set. See the difference. So direction of cut set is towards that cut set. So third is 1. Next is remain is 1. Branch 1 and the cut set direction is 1. Similar. That's why 1. Next is fifth. So fifth branch and the cut set direction is similar. That's why it should be 1. Others are 0. So that's why you have to find out the cut set matrix. In that you have to separate out the twigs and links. So you have to separate out in the branches. You have to separate out twigs and links. So what are the twigs and links are given inside the figure? So twigs are which are permanent branches, that is 2, 4 and 3. I will write the 2, 3 and 4, and remaining are 1, 5 and 6. 1, 5 and 6 are the links. So below that I will write the rows directly 2, 3, 4, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So this 2, 3, 4 I have written here. Again 1, 5, 6, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So like that cut sets you have to form cut set 2, 4 and that is 3. So that is the way you have to find out the cut set matrix by using this method. So I will give you one problem again for this cut set matrix. I have given the problems on the tie set matrix and incident matrix, but no one have given the reply for that problems. I also said that this homework, if you are doing this homework, then your attendance will be counted, otherwise the attendance will be 0. In the last your term work will be, if you are failed for the term work, then that will be considered as a KT. So at least you should try for the homework, at least you should watch the video, you should try the problems. If you have any problem, you just tell me, I will give you a solution. So homework I am giving you. And here also I will give homework. So in similar diagram I am using it again. Those I have used for incident matrix and dissect matrix. Similar diagram I am using for this cut set matrix homework. Second node, first node, third node, fourth node. This is fourth branch. This is first branch. Third branch, second branch, fifth branch, fifth node, sixth and seventh branch, fifth branch, fourth branch, third branch. So you have to find out the cut set matrix inside this diagram. You have to find out one tree, and from that tree you have to find out the cut set matrix. So you just try this. This is the solved example in Ravi Singh book also. But you have, first of all you try, then you can go through the book. If you have just till then, if you find out any problem, you can tell me. I will give you a solution for that. So thank you for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will solve more problems on the total graph theory. That is all the we will take one problem, one circuit. From that we will find out the graph. From that we will find out the different incident matrix, dissect matrix, and the graph cut set matrix. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.